National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Claremont County, northwestern Brown County, southwestern Highland County until 7 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Loveland, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Mount Orab, Bethel, Williamsburg, Lynchburg, Sardinia, Felicity, Hammersville, Newtonsville, Fayetteville, St. Martin, Shiloh, Chieftown, Greenbush, Lake Winoka, Buford, State Route 32 at U.S. Route 68, Point Isabel, Feesburg, and New Hope. The severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio, East Central Ripley, and Dearborn counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm